Welcome to English practice. Today we will learn action verbs.
Running. She is running in the marathon. Running. She is running in the marathon. Jumping. The kids are jumping on the trampoline. Jumping. The kids are jumping on the trampoline. Swimming. He is swimming in the pool. Swimming. He is swimming in the pool. Dancing. They are dancing at the party. Dancing. They are dancing at the party. Laughing. We are all laughing at the comedian's jokes. Laughing. We are all laughing at the comedian's jokes. Singing. She is singing a song on stage. Singing. She is singing a song on stage. Writing. He is writing a letter to his friend. Writing. He is writing a letter to his friend. Reading. They are reading books in the library. Reading. They are reading books in the library. Eating. We are eating lunch together. Eating. We are eating lunch together. Sleeping. The baby is sleeping peacefully. Sleeping. The baby is sleeping peacefully. Talking. They are talking about their vacation plans. Talking. They are talking about their vacation plans. Walking. He is walking his dog in the park. Walking. He is walking his dog in the park. Playing. The children are playing in the backyard. Cooking. She is cooking dinner for her family. Cooking. She is cooking dinner for her family. Cleaning. He is cleaning the house before the guests arrive. Cleaning. He is cleaning the house before the guests arrive. Studying. She is studying for her exams at the library. Studying. She is studying for her exams at the library. Working. He is working on a project at his desk. Working. He is working on a project at his desk. Painting. They are painting the walls of their living room. Painting. They are painting the walls of their living room. Drawing. She is drawing a picture of her pet. Drawing. She is drawing a picture of her pet. Exercising. He is exercising at the gym to stay fit. Exercising. He is exercising at the gym to stay fit.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.